Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this one is about the security updates in Google Chrome. So, new version of Google Chrome 92. Maybe you don't care about the few new features that I talked about in my previous video, but one thing that is important is security. And like I said, antivirus is not security. It's updating your software to have everything fixed. Well, Google Chrome 92 has been released and fixes 35 security vulnerabilities. Out of those, there are more than 10 high severity security flaws. So this is important to fix. It's easy to exploit a PC if that is not fixed. You think your antivirus is going to protect you from that? It doesn't protect you at all from infiltrations, from security flaws. So this is why you need to update your programs, your system, and your software that you use. So make sure that you move on to Chrome 92 to see if you have the latest version, which is important. Go to the upper right in the three vertical dots. Go into Help and go about Google Chrome. You should be moved to 92 as of today, July 21st, 2021. So lots of high severity flaws here. One about GPU usage, one with the flaw in the autofill, one is insufficient policy enforcement for the DevTools, stack buffer overflow in printing. There's out of bounds write in tab groups, all sorts of little things like that that are high severity. That means that they could easily be exploited by bad guys. There's, of course, a lot of medium and low risk. Medium and low risk is a little more difficult to exploit because you need access to the computer, physical computer. But that, if you just look at it, is if a high severity flaw is actually exploited, because that gives access to the computer, it means it can now exploit also the medium and low severity flaws, because it's like if the person or the hacker was there. So it's extremely important. 35 security flaws fixed in Chrome 92. Very important to update your Google Chrome. Make sure that you do. If technically, like I already say, it should already be updated, but if not, once again, upper right corner, Help, and About Chrome. You should be at 92 as of today, July 21st, 2021. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.